This, ladies and gentlemen, is Letters to Paris. And there she is, the beautiful Charity. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay, so we heating up some wine, homeboy. All right, get some wine in your pot, put that on the stove. While that's going on, we drop in some orange peel, some cinnamon sticks. Okay, get down to this mix. Start off with a little bit of lavender bitters, all right? Come in with some gin, all right? Get your gin in there. Beautiful. Follow that gin up with a bit of simple syrup. Got to sweeten stuff up here. Okay, come behind that with some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Ooh-hoo-hoo, all right? Then come behind with an orange liqueur infused with some thyme. You do that, you know, she infused thyme in herself, a little blood orange concentrate. Then some ice, okay, and we shake, all right? And now we can strain this into that earlier thing that we put in our mug, and then come behind with the hot wine. You see what I'm saying? So it's kind of like a sangria, but different, some orange, blood orange slices, a little garnish, and we are good to go. And there you have it. Letters to what?
Paris.
Okay.
Letters to Paris.
Sounds very romantic, okay? How'd you come up with this, firstly?
So,
Hold on. Yes, like what inspired this drink?
good question. So the first time I ever had mulled wine was in Paris. So I've
talking
actually
like hot wine?
Yeah, hot wine. So it's almost like a sangria, but hot.
But if you boil the wine, you burn off the alcohol though, right?
I mean, yeah, but there's gin in here also.
Okay.
So yeah,
Okay.
you just heat it a little bit. You get your hot wine, some gin, bitters. So there's actually Mandarin Napoleons. There's actually a lot of alcohol in here.
So you were
Don't you worry.
Okay, so you were in Paris when this happened.
Yeah, it was the first time
Were
I ever
you
had.
alone?
I was alone in Paris, going to the Notre Dame. Okay, stop judging.
Why the hell were you in Paris by yourself?
I don't
City
know.
of
I
Love.
was traveling by myself. It was really. I went to the.
Did you meet someone?
No. Oh, actually, maybe. I did.
Okay.
For a
anyway,
night.
okay. Hold on. You met someone for a night? Sorry, I was distracted. I heard something ringing.
You know.
Who'd you meet for a night?
I don't know, some French guy. I was young. It was a long time ago. Like a couple years.
Okay. I want you to taste this and just tell us what you're tasting, okay?
You're not gonna drink it?
No, I can let you do the tasting. We can put our little flower aside. Okay?
Judge myself.
Okay. Just tell us what you taste.
So it's very citrus because you have the orange and the blood orange and the Mandarin Napoleon.
Okay.
But then you actually do get like a very floral. The Monkey 47 is really floral, and you have thyme, and then you get spice. You kind of get this like full flavor. You get citrus, floral, spice.
Okay, here's what I want you to do, okay?
Okay.
I want you to take another sip of this, all right? And I want you to describe this drink just using one word, okay? But you're gonna use no word like citrus and fruity. I want a word that's unrelated to food or drink, okay? Some other word out there in life. You ready?
Okay,
Taste!
sexy.
That was goddamn too easy, man. Go again. It is kind of sexy, but go again.
Well, I don't know. Now I'm like thinking of words. I think all my words are like food.
We do use sexy. We'll go with sexy,
Yeah,
okay?
sexy. Hot. It's hot.
No, because that's still a food word, okay?
Exactly.
We can go with sexy. Apparently, this is a sexy taste, guys.
Yeah, it's like a warm, smooth.
night in Paris.
Yeah, sit by a fire.
Paris, were you all by a fire?
Yeah. No fire. We were in like a nightclub.
Y'all hooked up in a nightclub?
No, we didn't do it. Okay.
Like in the dark corner?
Cut.
Anyway, homeboy, listen, go find her on Instagram, okay? You can ask her for the full story, okay? Au revoir, okay? Shout out to Perry from the nightclub. I was just informed it's pronounced Thyme, not Thyme. I learned it Thyme, so I'm gonna roll with that.